So it's time for day 2. So day 2, I think it's Lego. Wow, that's amazing. This is the 501st Legion Clone Troopers. That is very cool. That is very cool. Let's see the notes say here. Day 2. Giving you the 501st Legion Clone Troopers because according to experts they are the best team of army in Star Wars. We hope that this reminds you of us, that we are your best troopers in Hong Kong. P.S. According to expert, this set of Lego will worth a lot of money in the future. Great message. Absolutely the best team in Hong Kong. Thank you guys. That's awesome.